Alright guys, so it shows here, we're going firework hunting up in this motherfucker. We gotta just find where the place is, because there's many people doing them around where I'm at, but here's the absolute thing, and I'm gonna put my car in drive because I'm not gonna be able to shift. I can't find where they are, so they're out that way. But here's the thing, I can't go off that way. Yeah, they are legit off that way. I don't know where that way leads to. Let's see if we can find them. See, I can hear them. Oh, look, there's smoke. I found some. Let's camp up over here. We're making our way up. Let's see if I. Look at that. Holy shit. I gotta park my car. I'm gonna go try and watch it. Alright. Listen, there's fireworks. Oh. That was one. It is not doing